I'm your host with the most, Brother B. You could be anywhere in the world, but you're here with me. I'm here with
Stan Williams from Lowe's.
at the ASTI. Now, Stan, I fix appliances. Good. Most of my audience wants to know, I need more calls. Who can I sign up with?
Lowe's.
And why should they sign up with Lowe's?
We're the #1 home appliance retailer. We're the #1 extended protection plan retailer in the major appliance space. That means we have all the customers. And we have their relationships. They trust us with everything. And we trust folks like Brandon to take care of our customers in our home. So you need customers, you need volume, you need us.
How can they reach out to you?
Well, several different ways. Easiest thing to do is to reach out to your local field service manager. You can go to Lowe's.com and find our online sign-up page there. Or you can come to ASTI, go to the USA Appliance Retail Space, and we'll take care of you as well.
Now, a lot of my audience is going to ask me, Brother B, what do I need to sign up with these guys? So before they ask me, I'm going to have them ask you, what do they need to sign up with?
It's a great question because customers are important. Their security and safety is paramount to Lowe's. So what you have to be insured. Auto insurance, liability insurance, workers' compensation if your state or municipality. You also have to be able to pass a background check, drug screen, because our customers trust our brand and they trust your brand. And if you're going into the home and they can't trust that you're going to take care of their property, take care of their they don't want you.
Okay, now there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here live at ASTI, so one more time for the audience. How can they get a hold of Lowe's?
Lowe's.com, Lowe'sForPros.com, and don't forget Generation T. It's a way that Lowe's is moving the trade skills back to the prominence that it deserves.
Brother, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, guys. I'm your host with the most, Brother B. This is another episode of Tech Talk, signing out.
Good night.